I don't know why I keep seeing this on YouTube, but I feel like I need to make a PSA. Stop buying trade alerts. Stop joining, stop buying, stop buying trade alerts. Please, they're like all a scam, especially the ones that are momentum trade alerts. I understand, sometimes you see people with all these tendies, you're like, oh, I want to be like them, I want to copy their trades, I want to win too. But specifically, momentum trade alerts are a complete Ponzi scheme. Stop getting scammed, please. I don't want to put anyone on blast, but just think about it. Just think about it for like, sit down and just listen to me explain, right? What is a momentum play? A momentum play is basically you look for an area, a market, a stock that has relatively low momentum, and then you buy in when there's low momentum, and then you basically hope for more momentum in the future, right? Either up or down. And you have to guess either up or down. So there's two things you have to guess, right? You have to guess one, whether or not there's going to be momentum, and two, you have to guess what direction. But what if you could somehow orchestrate momentum and choose the direction that you wanted the momentum to come in? What if you were able to shout out in some course that you had, that you charged, I don't know, let's say $1,000 for, right? And you had a bunch of other people that followed you and believed in you and trusted you to follow in that momentum, right? You just orchestrated momentum, did you not? You bought in early and you got all these other people to follow your lead and basically create momentum. Why does that sound so familiar? Listen, I don't want to call anyone out, so I'm just going to leave this person as anonymous. But think about the momentum trade. Just think about it, right? The first group of people, they earn the most money, right? Because they're basically there when there's low momentum, and they're capitalizing on this increased momentum. They're capitalizing on this like movement in price. So then, and then the last person that gets into this momentum trade, they're stuck holding the bag, right? When the first group of people, the first cohort of people, they've already sold and they already made their tendies. So the first people win, and the last group of people lose. What three-sided shape does this remind you of? What annoys me the most is that these people are calling it educational. Like, oh, it's not it's like a trade alert is educational. What are you learning from a trade alert? Anyone can look at a chart, look at a stock and be like, that I think that line's going to continue going up, or I think that line's going to continue going down. You're not learning anything. You know that if you had a secret sauce, and I know if I had a secret sauce to somehow always win in the stock market, I wouldn't be telling anyone, right? Because otherwise, that secret sauce would expire, right? That's literally it. You lose your alpha. Why would they tell you? To earn that $1,000 that they charge per course? If your secret sauce actually worked, you could earn that $1,000 in 5 minutes, right? There's a reason why they're charging you $1,000 for knowledge that will lead to infinite money. Would you charge $1,000 for an infinite money glitch? You wouldn't do that. What annoys me the freaking most, right, is after the education is they say, I'm teaching you the psychology of the market. On lesson 1A, anything, any type of like any tutorial, any first lesson, any first class. If I was an instructor teaching, let's say, a gun class, right? I was teaching you how to shoot a gun. Would I bring an AK-47 to the first day? First day, you're holding a water gun at most. Why are you teaching us with 0 DTE and weekly options? That's like bringing a nuke to the first day. You want to know why they're teaching us with 0 DTE and weekly options? If you don't know, gamma is just part of an option price. Basically, gamma is what makes options like fluctuate way more the closer it is to expiration, right? So you can earn a lot more money or you can lose a lot more money a lot faster. That's basically what gamma does. So why do they use this? In order to attract more people into their class, right? And in order to get more people to follow their trade alert so that their momentum plays get even larger and even better, right? You start with your 0 DTE or your weekly options, right? You got a lot of people to come in and pump the price in whatever direction you want. You sell, you make a profit, and then now you have that profit and you can use that profit to advertise your course again to get more people and you get more scrubs into your class to continue pumping up the price in whatever direction you want. That's what these momentum trade alerts are doing. Please, I don't want you just losing money. I don't want you just getting scammed, but like this is ridiculous. And putting it under like the fake mask of just saying, oh, it's educational. You're not learning anything. You know you're not learning anything. You're literally just getting an alert and just hoping and basically just saying, oh, well, as long as I'm not the last idiot in this train, just be careful of the internet, right? I get it. You just want a quick buck. Sometimes sometimes things happen and you're desperate and like those are the types of people. When you in that situation, that's like the main prey of these people. These people like prey on those people the most. They specifically look for desperate people that are like willing to, like, they have their last $5, they have to have their last $50, they have their last $100, and they're willing to throw it into something, hopefully like make it double, make it triple. Just think about it. I don't know. That's it. That's the extent of my PSA. Like, don't follow momentum trade alerts. Just really think about it, right? A momentum trade alert is literally just a Ponzi scheme. It's a pyramid scheme. The first person in a momentum trade alert, which is obviously going to be the person that's giving the trade alert, they stand to gain the most. And the last person that's into a momentum trade alert, they're going to lose the most, right? They're buying at the very top. They're selling at the very bottom, right? That's it. Just be careful. Have a good day.